All right, fam. There's so many deals everywhere. It's ridiculous. Shout out to Suburban Beard for the Metabo stuff I'm going to drop in a little bit. There are some things that were missed, and there are some things that are amazing. But first, a lot of y'all had been asking me and messaging me and emailing me. All right, the M12 stuff doesn't start until the 13th in store. Okay? And this one's for Toolhead and Stan and think maybe Ted that asked for how you get that M18 saw at 45 bucks. If your store has this promo, and I think they're going to fix it by then, if they have this up, they will honor this. A lot of y'all didn't pay attention, but right underneath those two tools, I'm talking about the impact driver and the circ saw, it says M18 fuel. So you guys must get where I'm going with this, right? So if they've got the display up, and somebody over at Milwaukee is most likely going to get fired over this, but if they've got this display up in your depot, go take advantage. Get that blade left M18 circ saw for 45 bucks. Ridiculous. They should be able to honor it. Like I said, this money comes up from Milwaukee. It doesn't come from Home Depot themselves. I'll answer that and go into that a bit further on this next deal. So, I mentioned Suburban Beard a little while ago, and he stumbled across this kit. $199, right? $20 off because they have a buy more, save more on this kit. This is the subcompact drill driver, the subcompact impact driver, the compact hacksaw, and the oscillating tool. Whew, running out of breath there. So, you see this little dealie here, buy more, save more. If you go up to $400, and it has to be $400 or more, you can't be at $399. It won't work that way. But if you do that, you get to $150. So check this out. Throw 3 of them in your cart. Go check that cart. Come on, let's go see that cart. And look at that, fam. $447. One of those is damn near free. And yeah, it breaks down on the receipt. And yeah, it's a steal. But regardless, let me show you some of the other stuff that is in this buy more, save more. We'll leave one in the cart for posterity reasons there. Here is the other item that's in there, buy more, save more. It is the drill driver. It's basically everything except the hacksaw and the oscillating tool there on this combo kit. I think those are 2s. It says right there, 1.5s. So nothing spectacular, nothing crazy. But look up in this upper left-hand corner and you're going to see another kit that's in there, buy more, save more. And this one comes with 2 3s, the triple hammer, and a pretty decent 1/2-inch hammer drill. Now, these aren't multi-volts, but that triple hammer, that 18 volt, still pretty nifty. It is IP rated. Some of y'all will get that joke. Regardless, it's a good deal. You slap one of these in the cart. Come on. My internet has been terrible all day. And look at that. You bring that price down to $132. You bring this down to $165. I'm pretty sure we can get that down a bit more if we add this to the cart. Let's go check out that cart. Now we've got $151 for that kit, etc., etc. You got to play with these a bit, but I mean, come on, look at that, $136. These are ridiculous discounts. I still don't think we're at the $150 mark, are we? Save $147. No, I don't think so. Let's take that one out. Let's put this at 2. Oh, not 21. 2. Okay, and that, yeah, like I said, play around with the numbers there. There is one more deal here. I think it's this one. And it is a full, nope, not that one. This one. This one does come with multi-volt batteries. Those are $100 batteries. It comes with a monster of a circ saw. It comes with an impact driver and the drill driver. Unfortunately, they are not the multi-volt variants, but, and this is a big but, they're still solid tools. Also, not the multi-volt recip saw, but it is a pretty awesome recip saw along with that fantastic brushless flashlight. I really don't know why they count those as tools. They really shouldn't, but it's there. And that's pretty much going to wrap it here. And I was telling you guys in previous videos that it is hackable. And yes, if you can see the breakdown in your shopping cart of the different prices. Here, let me go back there. This one here. You'll see that it is hackable. So just set them for store pickup or ship to home or whatever. Go watch my how to hack Home Depot video for ideas, and that's how it's gonna work. When it comes to this, I usually do it in store at Lowe's. I don't get any difficulties on that sort of thing. Also, what I was talking about earlier with they don't care about returns and stuff like that, it's because the manufacturers pay Lowe's and Home Depot on these BOGOs and these promos and these discounts. They're the ones who do that. So when you end up returning an item, Lowe's and Home Depot do not want that BOGO or promo item back, because then they're tasked with returning that funds to the manufacturer. So it's in those stores' best interest to keep those BOGO and promo items out. So do with that information what you will. That was passed along to me by a couple little birdies, and I did confirm that with the regional sales manager over at Big Blue. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.